guys, it's Laura. Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys my everyday makeup routine as requested by Rina Parantar. Bago tayo magsimula guys, i-flex ko lang itong lapel mic na nabili ko sa Shopee. So ito yun. Nabili ko to siya sa halagang 170 pesos lang. And so far maganda naman yung quality niya. I already tested this using my mobile phone. Unfortunately, hindi ko lang siya magagamit ngayon kasi nga yung mirrorless camera na ginagamit ko, wala siyang port for external microphone. So, sayang. Anyways, guys, this is actually a good investment, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga aspiring vloggers like me. So, kung gusto niyo malaman yung details ng product at kung saan ko siya nabili, ilagay ko na lang yung link sa description box, okay? Okay, so parang mahaba-haba na rin yung intro ko. So, let's proceed to our makeup tutorial this time. So, since I'll be doing everyday makeup tutorial, so that means the light makeup lang yung i-apply ko sa face ko ngayon. So, the first product that I'll be using is Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Foundation. So, this is in a natural buff shade. So, ito yung laman. Meron na siyang kasamang salamin. Meron na siyang sponge. At ito yung shade niya. So, this is in a light brown shade. So, this is really perfect for those who have a medium skin tone. For me guys, ito yung isa sa mga makeup essential ko. So, wherever I go, I always have this with me. So, sa pag-a-apply ng powder foundation, most especially using sponge, dito ako nagsisimula, lalong-lalo na dito sa dark circle ko. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Going upward. As you can see guys, maganda talaga itong si Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation kasi has already a poreless coverage. Alright, so since tapos na tayong mag-foundation, so let's proceed to the next step. So I'll be using this BYS Concealer in a light shade. So kung napanood niyo yung first vlog ko about eyebrow tutorial, I also used BYS Concealer. Kaya lang, it was actually medium shade yung ginamit ko. Which is, I really purchased a very wrong shade para sa aking skin tone. So ito yung medium shade na nabili ko nun. Ito. Compare to this one. Natutunan ko when it comes to buying concealer is it should be 2 times lighter from the shade of your foundation. Yan talaga guys, minsan nagkakamali tayo sa ating mga decisions sa buhay. Katulad na lang sa pagpili ng right shade for us, for this concealer. So, minsan nakala natin ito na yun. Pero, ito pala yung dapat pinili natin. So, ang hugot ko na doon. Okay guys, so I'll just apply now this concealer. Sa pag-a-apply ng concealer, dapat i-focus mo dun sa dark area of your eye. So, dito lang. Ayan. So, I'll be using the same sponge. Okay. When it comes to blending guys, it should be this way. So, ipipinch mo lang yan. So, ganyan. So, guys, na-experience niyo rin ba? Once mag-apply kayo ng concealer sa mukha niyo ay nagka-crease siya dito? Because we miss something. So, may isang makeup product na hindi natin ginagamit. Or, dun sa mga beginners, we tend to ignore or para sa atin hindi talaga yun unnecessary, but then I realized na it's very important pala to achieve that flawless and smoother skin. Okay, so as you can see, na-blend out na natin yung concealer. Alright, so next step, yung sinabi ko sa inyo na pinaka-importante na we tend to ignore. So I'm referring to this loose powder. So I'll be using this Fashion 21, right? So this is in number 4 shade. So, 4 ito yung shade niya. So, ito yung pinili ko. What I love about this product is SPF 50 na siya, guys. So, alam niyo naman, so we have to protect our skin against UV rays. So, against the heat of the sun. Okay, may kasama na siyang puff. So, ito yun. I-shake mo lang siya. When applying loose powder, hindi naman ibig sabihin na i-apply mo siya sa buong mukha mo. Ita-target mo lang dun sa areas that needs to be highlighted. So dito, sa area na to, wherein normally or usually, nagpo-form ng crisp line dito sa ibaba ng ating mata. So, i-bake lang natin ito for about 5 minutes. So, ayan guys. So, tapos ko nang mag-apply ng loose powder para nakumulto dito. So, i-bake ko lang to siya for about 5 minutes while waiting. So, magkikilay na lang tayo. Okay? For my kilay, I'll use 2 different eyebrow makeups. So, first is this eyebrow Etude house. So, ito yun. This is retractable, guys. So, what I love about this product is meron na siyang spoolie. So, alam niyo ba guys na dahil dito sa eyebrow pencil na to, natuto akong magkilay. So, I could highly recommend this to those beginners na nagsastruggle na magkilay, katulad ko noon. So, dahil dito natuto talaga akong magkilay guys. So, trust me, kaya niyo rin magkilay using this eyebrow pencil. So, I'll use this eyebrow pencil to shape my eyebrows. First is, you have to brush your brow. Okay. So, sa pagkikilay guys, sa ibaba ko magsisimula. So, ayan, tapos na akong mag-lining sa kilay ko. So, let's proceed to the next eyebrow product that I'll be using today. Sa pangalawang product na gagamitin ko sa kilay ko, this is actually eyebrow powder. This is Etude, and this is ER01. So, may dalawang shades ito, or kit. So, ito, this is number 1. So, ito yung laman guys. Meron na siyang salamin. Meron na rin siyang angled brush. Meron na siyang 3 different colors. Light brown, dark brown, at taupe. So, yung gagamitin ko ay itong dalawa. I-mix ko lang siya. Ganyan. So, dun sa hindi pa nakakaalam, by the way guys, the main purpose of eyebrow powder is to fill in the areas of your brows. Lalong-lalo na dito sa gitna, dito sa loob. So, yun yung purpose ni eyebrow powder. Ipifill in na natin yung eyebrow. Pakaunti-konti lang guys. Ayan. Dapat manipis lang dito sa area na to. Ganyan lang kadali guys. Favorite ko talaga itong sa Etude eyebrow powder kasi as you can see, texture niya, it's very smooth and easy to apply yung eyebrow powder niya. So talaga ma-achieve mo yung perfect natural eyebrows na gusto niyo. So, since tapos na tayo dito sa side na to, so let's do the other side. So, natapos ko na rin yung kilay ko. So, let's proceed to the eyeliner. So, I'll be using this Careline Graph Ink Liner Waterproof. I think about you all the time now. I guess I never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want me sometimes. So I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me. tayo sa eyeliner. So, para sa akin, perfect na to. Tatanggalin ko lang yung loose powder na nilagay ko kanina. So, I'll use this brush. Natanggal ko na yung loose powder. So, for everyday makeup routine ko, hindi talaga ako nagkukontour. Of course naman, for everyday makeup, that means i-accept mo talaga kung anong shape ng mukha mo, kung anong ilong mo. So, for my mascara, I'll be using this Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. So, ito yun, guys. So, gagamit muna ako nitong eyelash curler. Hindi ko lang dadamihan para natural pa rin siyang tignan. Tapos na tayo sa mascara. So let's proceed to blush on. So I'll be using this Mary Kay. This is Lip and Cheek Stick. And this is in a peach pop shade. Ito yung laman. So, parang combination siya ng red at pink. So, yun. Kunti lang yung ilalagay natin kasi very pigmented na siya. So, I just use my fingertip to blend the blush on. As you can see, madali lang siya i-apply. Very pigmented. Yung iba, ilalagay nila dito sa ilong nila. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konti. Yung gagamitin ko para sa lip. Ayun guys, natapos ko na yung blush on ko at yung lipstick ko. And just using the same product. Ito yung nagugustuhan ko kay Mary Kay kasi pwede na siya sa cheeks, pwede na rin siya sa lips. So, ayun. Parang ano siya, parang drunk look yung dating niya sa blush on. So, ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko at ako yung magbabalik. So, ayan guys, natapos rin yung makeup tutorial ko. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na ito. If you do, so please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Of course, please don't forget as well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And i-click mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload a new one. So, thanks for watching guys and see you on my next one. Bye!